Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, ang i-share ko po sa inyo ay sure po akong ikatutuwa po ng mga future travelers. So meron pong malaking pagbabago na magaganap po sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Hindi ko lang po alam guys if ganito din po ang mangyayari sa ibang mga international airport around the Philippines. Kasi ang nabasa ko lang is Ninoy Aquino International Airport yung magkakaroon po ng big changes. Yung big changes na to guys, as what you've noticed po, kung ano pong meron tayo ngayon, ganito po ang step na ginagawa natin kapag tayo po ay may international flight. First po, check in your luggage sa airlines counter. Second po is the immigration counter kung saan po check yung mga documents natin. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng short interview with the immigration officer. Dito din po tayo hinahatulan kung lusot po tayo sa immigration or offloaded po tayo. And then the last one is the security checking. Dito naman po is check po yung ating katawan. Nagkakaroon po ng x-ray or yung ating pong mga hand carry nilalagay po natin sa tray. Ini-scan po sa luggage scanner para po makita kung ano po ang laman ng ating mga bagahe if we have something there inside na bawal po dalhin sa ibang bansa or yung mga well-restricted goods or stuff po gaya ng mga liquid, chemicals, or medicine or mga frozen food na bawal po ilagay sa hand carry. So, ang problema guys, because of this process sa airport, marami pong nagrereklamo, lalo na guys yung mga nakukunan po ng mga item. Kasi ang isa sa reklamo nila, I already passed the immigration, I already had may stamped in my passport, ito na po nagka-problema. After passing through the immigration, nasa security na po. So it's time to make body screening and luggage screening. And then, na-detect po na ating custom and ng operator po doon na meron ka palang 200 ml perfume, lotion, and you have 1 box of medicine na walang prescription or walang receipt kung ano man yun, tinanggal mo na sa box, or you have their frozen food, bawal po yun. And ang sabi po ng ating custom, dapat po nasa check-in luggage po yun. Ang tanong, nakalagpas na po ako sa immigration. I cannot longer exit. So, hindi na po ako makakalabas para bumalik po sa check-in counter para i-deposit yung aking 200 ml perfume, lotion, or frozen goods na meron ako sa aking bag. Ang mangyayari po dyan, kasi hindi ka na po makakapag-exit kasi nakalagpas ka na ng immigration, it's either you need to throw away your goods sa kanila pong trash can or ibigay po sa kanila yung lotion mo po na mamahalin or mga perfume or kung ano pa man yan ng mga bagay. Sayang naman. So, the big changes is coming. Ito po ay bilang tugon sa mga reklamo na natatanggap po ng NAIA operator. Ang mangyayaring setup na po on the next month. So, wala pa pong exact date kung kailan po ito ipapatupad. But, ginaranti po ito ng spokesperson ng Office for Transportation and Security na magiging ganito po ang patakaran para po sa mga susunod na mga buwan. Hindi agad-agad na pwedeng ma-implement yung gantong innovation or pagbabago kasi yung mga scanning machine kailangan pa pong i-move or kailangan pa pong i-transfer. So, ano ang mangyayari in the next month? So, ganito na guys. Ang magiging flow na po is check in your luggage and then pupunta po kayo sa security checking. I-scan po yung mga body po ninyo, yung mga hand carry po ninyo, and then immigration. So, the advantage and the good side of this, guys, sinabihan ka ay dapat po nasa check-in po ito. dapat check-in nyo po ito or dineposit nyo po sa counter po ng check-in. So ikaw, kasi hindi ka pa naman dumaan ng immigration, pwede ka ulit bumalik sa check-in counter ng airlines para po i-deposit kung ano pa man pong mga bagay na meron kayo na bawal po ilagay sa hand carry. At dahil guys, ganito na yung magiging process, you can save your stuff. Naman po na itapon natin sa basurahan or i-turn over natin or makumpiskate po ng checker kasi bawal siya dalhin. So, pwede ka ulit bumalik at mai-deposit po. At after you deposit, dadaan ko po ulit sa x-ray machine hanggang hindi ka po doon nakiklear, hindi ka po palalabasin para po makapag-proceed ka sa immigration counter. Dito naman sa immigration counter, checking of document, short interview, and then hahatulan ka na if okay, you pass the immigration, no problem at all, or you are offloaded. It is a good innovation po for Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
Passenger experience in terms of security screenings at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport is set to improve with upcoming interchange between the Office for Transportation and Security and the Bureau of Immigration station at the airport. OTS spokesperson Kim Marquez told the Philippine News Agency that screening checkpoints at NAIA will soon be located before the immigration counters, a move aimed at giving passengers the option to check in items that are not permitted in carry-on luggage, rather than having those items confiscated by security. The OTS suggested that security screening should be done first, because when they have something to check in, the immigration does not allow them to go outside back to the airline counters, the OTS executive said in an interview. She said that passengers have been complaining because once their passports are stamped by the Bureau of Immigration, they can no longer return to the check-in counters to discard prohibited items before boarding their flight. The move is fully supported by the new NAIA Infra Corporation. There is no date yet as to when this could be implemented, since this will require movement of security screenings equipment like the X-ray machines, she explained. According to PNA-PI spokesperson Dana Sandoval, expressed approval of this development, saying any action of the airport authorities to improve the area for the convenience of the traveling public will be supported by the PI.